Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. According to recent data by Election Commission of India, which state/UT had the highest percentage share of female electors in 2024? A. Delhi, B. Gujarat, C. Puducherry, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is C. Question number 2. Which ministry introduced the special category visas E student visa and E student X visa? A. Ministry of External Affairs, B. Ministry of Education, C. Ministry of Home Affairs, D. Ministry of Skill Development. Correct answer is C. Question number 3. Which state government has launched Swami Vivekanand Yuva Shakti Mission recently? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Punjab, D. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Question number 4. What is the name of the application launched by the Department of Telecommunications to empower citizens and address fraud communication? A. DG Sathi, B. Fraud Watch, C. Sanchar Sathi, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Question number 5. The Manan community is primarily found in which state? A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Kerala, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is C. Question number 6. The Kuraga tribal community is primarily found in which states? A. Kerala and Karnataka, B. Bihar and Jharkhand, C. Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, D. Rajasthan and Gujarat. Correct answer is A. Question number 7. Which community is associated with the Sihtu folk dance? A. Gaddi, B. Hatti, C. Kulu, D. Bhutia. Correct answer is B. Question number 8. Which state has become the first northeastern state to sign a memorandum of understanding with Bashini? A. Tripura, B. Assam, C. Nagaland, D. Mizoram. Correct answer is A. Question number 9. The phrase Satyamev Jayate is derived from which text? A. Rig Veda, B. Ramayana, C. Mahabharata, D. Mundaka Upanishad. Correct answer is D. Question number 10. Which state government has launched India's first industry-led digital detox initiative called Beyond Screens? A. Karnataka, B. Maharashtra, C. Kerala, D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Question number 11. Which state government has adopted Transplantation of Human Organs and Tissue Act in March 2025? A. Telangana, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Odisha, D. Haryana. Correct answer is A. Question number 12. Which state has become the first state in the country to adopt an agrivoltaic project? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Rajasthan, D. Punjab. Correct answer is A. Question number 13. The Kumbakonam beetle leaf and Thovalai flower garland from which state recently received a geographical indication GI tag? A. Kerala, B. Telangana, C. Karnataka, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is D. Question number 14. According to recent data, which state has the highest number of solar power installation in railway station as of February 2025? A. Odisha, B. Gujarat, C. Bihar, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is D. Question number 15. Mir Alam tank that was recently seen in news is a freshwater lake located in which city? A. Jaipur, B. Bhopal, C. Hyderabad, D. Chennai. Correct answer is C. Question number 16. The world's 17th Athlete Passport Management Unit was inaugurated in which city? A. New Delhi, B. Hyderabad, C. Chennai, D. Bangalore. Correct answer is A. Question 17. Which institution has been ranked as the best in India in the Asia University Ranking 2025? A. Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, B. Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, C. Anna University Chennai, D. Banaras Hindu University. Correct answer is A. Question 18. Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center is established under which ministry? A. Ministry of Law and Justice, B. Ministry of Home Affairs, C. Ministry of Finance, D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Correct answer is B. Question number 19. What is the name of the initiative launched by India Post to boost access to educational material across the country? A. Gyan Post, B. Sarv Shiksha, C. Vidya Vahan, D. Post Pathsala. Correct answer is A. Question number 20. The Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project is built on which river? A. Pranhita River, B. Krishna River, C. Godavari River, D. Tungabhadra River. Correct answer is C. Question 21. Who is considered the father of medicine in India? A. Sushruta, B. Dhanvantri, C. Charaka, D. Patanjali. Correct answer is C. Question 22. Which state government has introduced aggregator policy for app-based cab services in May 2025? A. Odisha, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Question 23. Where was India's largest aerospace grade titanium and super alloy materials plant inaugurated? A. Lucknow, B. Bhopal, C. Jaipur, D. Hyderabad. Correct answer is A. Question 24. Where is the India's first private helicopter final assembly line being set up? A. Maharashtra, B. Karnataka, C. Telangana, D. Kerala. Correct answer is B. Question 25. Yashoda AI is an initiative of which institution? A. National Commission for Women, B. Niti Aayog, C. Reserve Bank of India, D. National Human Rights Commission. Correct answer is A. Thank you and I hope you like the video.